Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious Sri Lankan style fruit salad. This refreshing dish is perfect for any occasion, offering a delightful blend of sweet and tangy flavors. We'll start by selecting the freshest fruits, ensuring a vibrant and flavorful base for our salad. Then, we'll move on to crafting the unique creamy dressing that truly sets this recipe apart. Get ready for a taste of tropical paradise. Now, let's get our fruits ready. Begin by washing all your chosen fruits thoroughly under cool, running water to ensure they are clean. Next, carefully peel and core fruits such as pineapple and apples, making sure to remove any seeds or tough parts. The key is to cut all the fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, which makes for a more enjoyable eating experience and a visually appealing salad. The heart of our Sri Lankan fruit salad lies in its creamy, flavorful dressing. To make it, combine 1 cup of plain yogurt with half a cup of condensed milk in a mixing bowl. For that essential tangy kick, squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lime. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. This dressing adds a wonderful richness and balances the sweetness of the fruits beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Gently fold your prepared, bite-sized fruits into the creamy dressing mixture, ensuring every piece is coated. Once combined, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, you can garnish your delicious Sri Lankan fruit salad with a sprinkle of toasted cashews or a few fresh mint leaves for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.